Hey, what's up, Bittorrent holder? Today I have something very special because it's a very danger update. And why I will tell you, my friends, this is very danger. First of all, I will tell you, my friend, to 12,700 people subscribe this channel. So that's mean to they are all earn money in a crypto, and they are earn money with ABS Tech channel. So if you also earn money, if you have a plan to earn money in a crypto, you will also need to subscribe this channel to get a very good profit and very right time, my friend, especially right time for investment and right time for selling. Absolutely, if you understand this, so I will give you guarantee to you will earn more and more money from crypto, my friend. In those days every coin were dumps down, so therefore I expect from Bittorrent to this coin will also, my friends, not get moving upward, it fails down. But remember, my brothers, too, why this coin will starting moving upward in the start of month. The last 7 days, you can see, my friends, they were completely lost now, minus 9.7% they are lost. But in the start of month, as you can see, my friend, this coin will get up profit now. So why? The main reason which I found, my friends, to especially in those days if they were moving upward, so I think the reason was that with the last previous month, my friend, this coin will fails down, so therefore they will after a dump absolutely they will pump. So therefore I found to after a dump every coin will pump, so therefore after a huge jump also they will dump down. So I am 100% sure. I think 2 days ago, my friends, to I invest in Hedera, sorry, and Bittorrent, and absolutely I will get a profit. So therefore, my friends, in last 2 days this coin will again starting moving upward, and I am so happy to see this, and I hope in upcoming days they will give me a more and more profit. So if you also want to earn money in a crypto, you will need to subscribe this channel to get a profit. My advice for all of you to please hold it, don't starting sell it, and I hope in upcoming time Bittorrent will give you a very good profit. So please don't miss this chance, take a risk and get a profit.